All right, so now for problem number 2, it says, so pause the video if you need a moment to digest it and see what it's saying, but I'm gonna assume that you have done that, and now I'm gonna go ahead and work it. So that 450 is going to be your initial amount, and then it's draining, so that means we're taking away water. So minus 20 gallons. And then per minute means that we are going to multiply. Remember, per is another way to say multiply. So I'm going to take that 450. I'm going to take away 20. And I'm going to multiply it by 7. And if I do that, I should get 310. So now, for how long will it take for it to have 20 gallons? So I'm going to use the equation 450 minus 20, but this time it doesn't tell me my minutes. So instead of using a number, I'm going to use X, and then I'm going to use, oops, wrong color. I'm going to use Y. Okay, so how long, or I'm sorry, I'm going to use my X. So how long, what X value would make this equal to 200 gallons? And on the, in order to do that, I need to write an equation. So 450 minus 200x is equal to y. Okay, so I used y. So here's where all the parts came from. So now in the next video, I'm going to show you again how to use that Desmos calculator to help you to figure out what that x value would be.